Tired of spending countless hours studying with little to show for it? Stop wasting your time. Psychology reveals that it's not about how long you study, but how you study. Discover the science-backed strategies to 10 times your study speed and achieve breakthrough results without burning out. Let's talk about studying smarter, not harder. A key idea in psychology is that our brains don't work like computers. You can't just load information in and expect it to stay there. You have to actively engage with the material. Think of it like this. You can't learn just by attending classes. The key is to actively participate by asking questions, engaging your brain by thinking how the subject matter is relevant to your life. One powerful strategy is called spaced repetition. Instead of cramming everything the night before, review the material at increasing intervals. This strengthens memory encoding and makes retrieval easier. For example, review your notes a few hours after class, then again the next day, then a few days later, and then a week later. Retrieval practice is another game changer. This involves actively trying to recall information from memory rather than passively rereading your notes. Flashcards are a great tool for this. The act of struggling to remember strengthens the memory trace. Instead of just reading your textbook over and over again, try to summarize each section in your own words. Test yourself frequently using practice questions. Active recall will massively improve your chances of understanding a subject matter. It is important to grasp what you are trying to learn, instead of memorizing a subject like a robot, even if you don't fully grasp the underlying principles to the topic. Another important aspect is attention and focus. It's hard to study effectively if you're constantly distracted. Create a dedicated study space free from interruptions. Turn off notifications on your phone and computer. Consider using website blockers to avoid getting sidetracked by social media. The Pomodoro technique can also be helpful. This involves working in focused bursts of 25 minutes, followed by a short break. Time management is crucial for efficient studying. Create a schedule and prioritize your tasks. Break down large assignments into smaller, more manageable chunks. Use time blocking to allocate specific time slots for studying. Avoid procrastination by tackling the most challenging tasks first. Don't underestimate the power of mindset and motivation. Believe in your ability to learn and succeed. Set realistic goals and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Cultivate a growth mindset, which means believing that your intelligence and abilities can be developed through hard work and dedication. Remember to focus on the process of learning, not just the outcome. Consider how mnemonic devices could increase your capacity to learn and retain information, perhaps creating a mind map or concept map to further create visualization of the course material. This video has explored some psychology-backed techniques to enhance studying and learning. However, questions about the long-term impact on mental well-being are still in need of answering. Is there a certain percentage or ratio to study to hours of relaxation? This could be something to consider in future research and is beyond the scope of this video. Did you find these tips helpful? If so, please like, share, and subscribe to keep watching amazing videos like this.